This video is sponsored and approved by Raycon. Hey guys, as you may remember, I've tried some balloon popping action in the past. It was crazy, it was messy, but also super yummy, so I wanna do it again. Welcome to our balloon popping craziness. We'll be doing some DIYs and some sweet desserts. The main ingredient for all today's projects, the balloon. Hope you're excited, and let's get started. Out of all the sweets, desserts and candy, I think fruit salad is still my favorite treat. Call me boring, but that's the truth. Today I'm slicing up a pineapple, an orange, kiwi, and some grapefruit. They look so juicy and delicious. Place your fruit in a pretty dessert glass and let's work on some toppings. What kind of sauce should I choose? I want vanilla. Okay, ready to watch the sweetest vanilla waterfall? I definitely am. Oh wow, how yummy! I think I made the right choice. This surely looks so good. But that strawberry sauce looks tempting as well. And who says we can't have both, right? Snip off a piece of the balloon and the delightful strawberry waterfall is pouring down our epic fruit bowl. And this sounded like a poem, and I'm sure it will taste like heaven too. I'm gonna finish it off with a splash of white chocolate pearls because A, white chocolate is just the best, and B, it will give our fruit bowl this crispy crunch that we all love. Tell me if this doesn't look like heaven in a glass. Fruit bowls are seriously the best desserts out there and also the healthiest too. Obviously you don't need any crazy sugary sauces and toppings, just plain whole fruit is your best option. But from time to time when you feel a bit extra, try adding vanilla sauce to your fruit. It's simply dreamy. And if you add a splash of strawberry sauce and some white chocolate pearls, even better. Today's video is sponsored by Raycon. I've been using Raycon wireless earbuds for months now and I am more and more obsessed with them. Before switching to Raycons, I would get tangled in wires all the time. And not to talk about all the mess these wires would make in my handbag. So annoying. But with my Raycon earbuds, I feel like a completely new person. I can work out, clean, cook while listening to my favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks. If you're a student, you can listen to your lectures while making lunch, tidying your room, or on the go. Even people from the music industry like Snoop Dogg and Cardi B are obsessed with Raycons, which says a lot. The best part is that Raycon earbuds start at half the price of other premium wireless earbuds, and they sound just as amazing as other top audio brands. I've been testing them for months and I am in love. The latest model, the Raycon Everyday E25s, come in a variety of colors with 6 hours of playback time and 6 different sizes to best fit your ear and give you a nice noise isolating face. Click my costume link in the description below to get 15% off your order today or visit buyraycon.com/funwithsara. Ice cream cookie sandwiches, anyone? Is that even a question? I take it any day. Place your cookie upside down on a flat surface and grab any kind of ice cream flavor of your choice. I went for vanilla. Load the ice cream scoop with this creamy deliciousness and place it on top of that cookie of yours. Now take the second cookie and press it on top of the ice cream to squish it down a little bit. It's time to take any kind of topping like sprinkles, chocolate chips, dried fruits, or nuts. I went for sprinkles and I'm pouring them in a line shape on my kitchen counter. Now we can take our yummy ice cream sandwich on a walk along this sweet sprinkle road. The sweet colorful pieces stick to the ice cream and the result is the most beautiful ice cream cookie sandwich I've ever seen. Being a chocolate lover, I also decided to make one using chocolate chips and both versions look just fantastic. Preparing this dessert is so easy and you can totally make lots of these, pop them in the freezer and have them ready to grab when you're feeling like having a sweet snack. But today we're gonna take it to the next level and make our ice cream cookie sandwiches even more decadent. What kind of topping should we go for? I love honey, so let's pick this one. And since this is a balloon popping desserts video, we're gonna transfer the honey into a balloon. Whoa, this looks delicious! Check out this sweet goodness pouring down our delightful ice cream sandwiches. Honey is thick, dense, and transparent. I love how we can still see the sprinkles and ice cream behind it. It is so pretty. We also need some dry topping to sprinkle on. My favorite color is blue, so blue sugar is what I'm going for. Carefully put some into the balloon. That's enough, so it's time to blow it. Are we ready for a messy sugary explosion? Oh my, isn't this stunning? It's like gorgeous blue ice snow would fall down our delicious ice cream cookies. I'm obsessed. Let's ignore the fact that I got sugar all over my apartment because this was too beautiful to watch and the result looks like a messy perfection. But what's even more important is that it tastes amazing too. Ice cream sandwiches are such an adorable and yummy dessert that I definitely need to make more often. I know it's not Christmas time just yet, but it's coming up pretty soon. Do you know how to decorate a Christmas tree in a second? I'll show you. Here we have fake snow. And here we also have some colored beads. I mean, how beautiful does this look? Santa, we're ready for you! Let's make a little Jell-O dessert. I have no clue how to make it from scratch, so this packet will save my day. Just gonna open it up and pour the powder into some boiling water, just like instructions advise. I went for the strawberry flavor, but there were a ton of different options in my supermarket. Give this yumminess a little stir so that the powder dissolves completely. Now take a mold, I'm using this one, and carefully pour the liquid Jell-O inside. This is gonna turn amazing, and I wish you guys could smell it right now. It has such a strong strawberry smell. Place it in a fridge for a few hours and wait for your Jell-O to harden. Carefully flip it upside down on a plate and lift the mold up to reveal your masterpiece. Check out how fun and wobbly this is. It literally won't stop shaking. I had to poke it a little bit because it's just too squishy and satisfying. Let's decorate with a bunch of gumballs to bring even more colors on this plate. This is so cute. Really such an easy way to make a dessert, and it looks adorable. Alright, let's work on the toppings. I'm gonna continue with bright color theme for my Jell-O cake. Let's open up 2 pots of plain Greek yogurt. Now grab a food coloring of choice and squeeze in a few drops. I decided for blue and yellow, and I want a pretty potent color, so I'm quite generous with it. Time to mix it up. I'm starting with blue, and how insane does it look? A bright blue yogurt. I've definitely never seen something like this before. Okay, it's yellow yogurt's turn, so let's give it a stir as well. When the colors are evenly incorporated, we can transfer our colorful sauces in the balloons. Starting up with the blue, snip away a piece of balloon like that. See the blue waterfall dropping on our yummy Jell-O cake. Time to proceed with the yellow yogurt sauce, so grab the yellow balloon and make a cut. Whoa, how amazing! I love the blue and yellow marble effect. Completely mesmerizing and magical. But what else should we put on top? I think sprinkles are always a great choice, so let's pop this huge yellow balloon filled with sprinkles. So cute! Love the bright blue color of these sprinkles. This exact shade of blue is actually my all-time favorite color. And see how wobbly and shaky the Jell-O is again? It's so much fun. But wait until I cut into this cake. Ready? Check this out! It is so satisfying. When you cut into the Jell-O, the rich, almost bloody red color gets revealed inside. Whoa, this could be an epic Halloween dessert, don't you think? I think this dessert is so insane because of all the crazy colors. It somehow doesn't even look like human food. It's more like something aliens or unicorns would eat. What do you say? Are balloons great chefs and DIYers? Or should we have them just as decorations and do the cooking and crafting ourselves? Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Love you! Mwah.